Chevrolet Tahoe is a full-size SUV that has been in production since 1994. Here's a brief history of the Tahoe. Early years, 1990s. The Chevrolet Tahoe was first introduced in 1994 as a 1995 model. It was designed to replace the Chevrolet Blazer and was based on the Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck platform. The first-generation Tahoe was available with a 5.7-liter V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. First generation, 1995 to 2000. The first-generation Tahoe was produced from 1995 to 2000. During this time, the Tahoe underwent several updates, including the addition of a more powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine and a new interior design. Second generation, 2000 to 2006. The second-generation Tahoe was introduced in 2000 and was produced until 2006. This generation saw significant updates, including a new frame, suspension, and interior design. The Tahoe also received a new 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Third generation, 2007 to 2014. The third-generation Tahoe was introduced in 2007 and was produced until 2014. This generation saw significant updates, including a new exterior design, a more powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Fourth generation, 2015 to 2020. The fourth-generation Tahoe was introduced in 2015 and was produced until 2020. This generation saw significant updates, including a new exterior design, a more powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Fifth generation, 2021 present. The fifth-generation Tahoe was introduced in 2021 and is currently in production. This generation sees significant updates, including a new exterior design, a more powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, and a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Tahoe also features a new independent rear suspension and a more luxurious interior. Throughout its history, the Chevrolet Tahoe has been known for its durability, reliability, and versatility. It has been a popular choice for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and law enforcement agencies.